मेरा नाम डॉक्टर अमरिंदर सिंह मल्ली, मैं फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर एसोसिएशन एम्स न्यू दिल्ली से एंड करंटली वर्किंग एज असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कार्डियोवैस्कुलर रेडियोलॉजी एंड एंडोवैस्कुलर इंटरवेंशन एम्स न्यू दिल्ली।
ये बताएं मुझे 2020 कैसा रहा एज अ डॉक्टर आपके?
2020 डॉक्टर के लिए एक बहुत दर्दनाक साल रहा। मैं बताता हूँ क्यों। राइट फ्रॉम दी जनवरी फरवरी मार्च टिल राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग हेयर, वी आर जितने भी हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, नर्सिस, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स, ऑल तमाम जो हॉस्पिटल में काम कर रहे हैं, उनको पूरे फटीग हो चुके हैं कि कब वैक्सीन आएगी। ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर, जितने भी हैं सब वेट कर रहे हैं कि वैक्सीन कब आए। वैक्सीन आएगी उसके बाद सबको मतलब चैन मिलेगा कि यस अब हमारे को संतुष्टि से हम सो पाएंगे। तब तक बिल्कुल नींद भी हराम है उनकी।
तो 2021 कैसे देखते हैं?
2021 जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती, मैं 3 चीज़ें अभी भी बताऊंगा। 2021 में एक अभी भी मास्क लगाई रखें जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती, हाथ बार बार धोते रहें, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग दूरी बनाई रखें, और हो सके कोई भी क्राउडेड प्लेसेस है, जितने भी मॉल्स हैं, रिलीजियस प्लेसेस है, मैरिजेस हैं, कम अटेंड करें, मत जाएं। अब वेट करो, थोड़ा सा टाइम बचा है, अगर हम ये पार कर गए तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा।
My name is Dr. Amandeep Singh. I am Vice President, Resident Doctor Association, AIIMS Delhi.
So can you define me 2020?
2020 is definitely was a challenging year. It's still 15 days remaining, so it's a challenging year for every doctors, every healthcare workers, I can say, every nursing staff, because of the biggest pandemic we have seen, COVID-19 pandemic. Nobody knows about the treatment. Nobody knows about in the initial phase. We all were there. And when the peoples were sitting at home in the lockdown period, we all were on the grounds, in the hospitals, doing our duties. Our families were more thinking and more, we can say, worried about us, and still we were doing. And never ever I felt like this, that I am missing my family like anything during this COVID time. Because in this, it's in the initial part when there was no treatment, we used to know that what will happen if I will get an infection from anywhere, any patient. But at last I am a doctor, so I have to stand for the patient.
What are the expectations you have for 21?
Expectations for 2021 is that the most important expectations that the whole world is having now is a vaccine for the COVID-19 pandemic. So we hope that a good vaccine we can have for our citizens of our country as well as the world, and so that every people can come out from this COVID-19 pandemic and live their life as they used to do before, as they used to enjoy their life in the malls, in the movies, and everywhere. And importantly, what I am expecting is that the mental health is very important, and in the 2020 people gets more of stressed because of all these things, and 2021 will bring some refreshments or will bring some fresh air for us. Thank you.
Say hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Dr. Hina from AIIMS New Delhi.
So Hina, can you define me 2020 in a one word?
Chaos, that's the word for 2020. Our lives changed, the entire world changed in March and April. Everything became chaotic, everything was uncertain, unpredictable, and that's the feeling that comes with unpredictability, right? Chaos. So the entire world, our country, our profession, and everybody, we're trying to come to terms with it. Everybody is making efforts to come to terms with the new normal, which is very difficult. And I hope that 2021 brings some good news, maybe probably vaccine, or maybe the cases declining and plateauing. And I hope that everybody is happy and healthy. That's all. Yeah.
Perfect. What's your name?
Hello, I am Dr. Aishi, JR from AIIMS New Delhi.
So can you define me 2020 in a one word?
Thank you for giving us this opportunity. From doctor's point of view, I would like to say the only proverb we followed was don't quit. We have been involved in this COVID duty since its inception, and we had learned how to go offline, how to go online from offline in treating patients, how we did telemedicine, how we had called up derma patients and did video calls. So basically, we had been kind of devastated. We have been away from home from months, but what we only followed was patient healthcare. That is the only motto we followed. From doctors, we would say this is a pandemic that it was completely unexpected. Dealing situations which was unforeseen to handling it, and currently AIMS has been at its best in handling from distributing masks. Now we are currently in the phase 3 trial of the Covaxin vaccine, which has been sponsored by ICMR and Bharat Biotech. So if you can see that how to handle the pandemic, AIMS and RDA had done it at its best. We, as if you can take a tour at all hostels, we have installed sanitizers. We have been very keen and we have been supporting patients how to use N95 mask, how to use PPEs. So we would like to say we have developed a new foresight how to handle situations in a better way, even in the drastic ways and in the less minimalistic manner.
What will be the your expectation for 21?
For 2020, for 2021, we are looking for development of new vaccine. Nevertheless, we want to still emphasize on social distancing and wearing of N95 mask, because we have almost seen over 7-8,000 cases. We have worked on publications, researches, but we would want people to be a little more enlightened about what we say, believing in us, believing in doctors, and helping us to fight this pandemic in this coming situations in a better way once more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Dr. Arvind Sadhu. I am a second year resident over here in Department of Transfusion Medicine at AIMS New Delhi.
So, can you define me 2020 in one word?
Long and pretty arduous.
So, what are the expectations you have for 21?
Hopefully 2021, we human beings will finally come to terms with what science actually says and what are the repercussions of not following science are. Probably that will be a leaping step for the entire humanity. Currently, we don't believe climate change to be real because science says so, but we don't feel its changes. Just like science already was there that such a pandemic would happen any day and mess around with our lives on a regular basis. But we never followed, we never took any precautions against it or took any preventive measures for it. So here we are left with struggling for life's end in the midst of pandemic. The only hope being vaccine coming out, being effective, as well as new treatment modalities coming out, and new treatment modalities being effective for this treatment. The same would happen by 2028. There is a IPCC International Panel on Climate Change, which says that by 2028, if we don't reduce our carbon emissions to zero, we would cross the 1.5 degrees centigrade threshold for global climate change, and which would result in irreversible changes to be felt around entire civilization by as early as 2030. So hopefully this 2020, if it can teach us one thing, that would be that please start taking science seriously, because science is the most objective creation we human beings have. That is the pinnacle of our 1 million years of evolution in this earth.